What if tomorrow I go and bomb my presentation? What if I go tomorrow and I don't have any confidence? What if those senior managers start asking me tough questions?
Thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
One thing that's very important before any speech, any presentation that you give is your state of mind. How relaxed are you actually? Most people don't get much relaxation. They're nervous, they have that anxiety running through their body, they are thinking about all the negative things like what if tomorrow I go and bomb my presentation? What if I go tomorrow and I don't have any confidence? What if those senior managers start asking me tough questions? What if I don't have answers to those questions? They have this thinking going on in their head, because of which they can't actually sleep at night because they don't have the right tools, techniques, methods to become a great speaker, and for which they are nervous. Has this ever happened to you? Well, if this has happened to you, I gotta tell you, you need to learn the right techniques, the right methods, the right formulas, the right templates, the right frameworks, the right tips, the right strategies. You need to know what to do in order to become confident. See, I'm a professional speaker. 99% chances you're not a professional speaker. You're probably a corporate professional or an entrepreneur. Maybe you are a project manager, CEO, vice president, HR manager, finance professional, IT professional, whatever you do, or a business person. And you follow me because you want to be a confident speaker. Now that's a great step. Now the thing you have to understand is the night before your presentation, you deserve a good night's sleep. Don't snore, by the way. But even if you do, it doesn't matter. You should have that relaxation. See, if you do the preparation the right way, you will have that relaxation in your body, in your mind, in your spirit, in your soul, in your emotions, in your confidence, in your willpower. Because tomorrow morning when you wake up, you're gonna go to the office and you're gonna bang, bang, bang. No, not that bang. You're gonna go to the office and absolutely bang the presentation because you're gonna be that powerful speaker. So make sure you get some good sleep every time before a presentation. And anytime I'm doing events like, the Confident Speaker Live Workshop or the Balanced Life Mastermind or our World Class Speaker Intensive, or when I'm, getting booked to speak at big stages like Microsoft, hires me to speak and train their employees, or Cisco System or IBM or some of the biggest companies like Google, one thing I always do is basically calm myself down, make sure that I am relaxed. So when I wake up in the morning, I'm in my power. Are you in your power before your presentation? That's my question for you. Bishal Sarkar here, reminding you that public speaking is not about perfection, it's all about connection.